Honda has officially launched the all-new Honda Stepwagon 6th generation in Japan. It will start for interested customers to reserve in February and is expected to deliver the first car after March 2022 onwards. The new Honda Stepwagon will be available in two variants, according to the exterior and interior styles, including the Honda Stepwagon Air and Honda Stepwagon Spada. The Air model emphasizes simplicity and can be used in all occasions, while the Spada emphasizes outstanding luxury. Main differences of both models are trim, decoration, design, front bumper shell, side skirts, etc. In addition, there is also the Stepwagon Spada premium line that emphasizes the highest luxury with the use of artificial suede interior materials. The minivan adopts a two-box layout with cleaner surfacing, a longer front overhang, a pushed-back A-pillar, a lower belt line, larger sliding doors, standard 16-inch wheels and a flat tail. The LED headlights are connected to the horizontal character line on the profile, with the front bumper and grille featuring a slightly different design in the Air and Spada variants. At the back, the vertical LED tail lights allow for a big tailgate opening reaching very low on the bumper. In the cabin, there are 3 rows of seats accommodating up to 6 passengers with plenty of leg and headroom. The middle row seems to be the most comfortable since the 2 individual captain seats feature reclining footrests and armrests while being able to slide front and back and left and right. Also, the foldable third row is more comfortable than before thanks to thicker foam on the seats. Among the highlights of the interior is the easy-to-clean water and oil-repellent Fabtech upholstery, which sounds ideal for families with young children. The dashboard has a large 11.4-inch infotainment touchscreen, a 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster, a practical tray above the glove box in the front passenger side, an array of buttons in the center console including the simple switches for the auto gearbox, plus slim climate vents with a honeycomb pattern similar to the new Civic. Additionally, there is a roof-mounted 15.6-inch monitor for the rear passengers. Unfortunately, Honda didn't announce details on the platform and the engine lineup of the minivan. However, we already know that it will be available both as a hybrid and in petrol-only guise. The eHEV will use a 2-motor hybrid system with 3 driving modes: EV, hybrid and engine. Honda will show a pre-production prototype of the Stepwagon in the Tokyo Auto Salon 2022.